We will do Markatasana. Both the legs together. Fold both the legs. Bring the heels close to the hips. They should touch the hips. Now keep both the hands in 180 degrees. Straighten them. Stretch them at 180 degrees. Now inhaling. Bend the legs towards right. Fold the legs towards right. Head towards left. Left ear on the floor. Now try to press right knee with left knee, right heel with left heel. Twist yourself in opposite direction. As if you are extracting the water from wet towel. Excess fat at the sides will reduce. Diabetic problem will reduce. Swadhisthana chakra will get activated. Normal breathing in the final stage. Exhaling, slowly come to center. Adjust the legs. Now inhaling, take the legs towards left, head towards right. Right ear on the floor. Now try to press the left knee with right knee, left heel with right heel. Twist yourself in opposite direction. Insulin production will be normal. Exhaling, come to center. Now keep 1 feet distance between heels and the hips, between both the heels. Adjust the legs. Now inhaling, bend the legs towards right, head towards left, left ear on the floor. Now left knee should come closer to the right heel. It should touch the heel. Both the knees on the floor. Twist yourself in opposite direction towards that. Even if you are not able to place left knee on the floor, try to place it on the right heel. Twist yourself. This is very important position. Try to twist yourself. Exhaling, slowly come to center. Again, check the position of your feet. Inhaling. Now turn legs towards left, head towards right. Now right heel, right knee should come to the left heel. Both the knees on the floor. Right ear on the floor. Twist yourself. If you cannot place right knee on the floor, place it on the left heel. Exhaling, slowly come to center. Keeping hands in 180 degrees. Normalize the legs, straighten the legs. Normalize the breath. Now lift the right leg to 45 degrees. Make sure your knee is straight, toes in stretching position. Inhaling, bring the right leg towards left hand. Right ear on the floor. Bring as close as possible. Exhaling, slowly come to center. Keep the leg at 45 degrees. Now rotate the leg towards right, clockwise 3-4 times, anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Make a bigger circle towards right. When the leg comes closer to the floor, heel gently touching the floor. Again, go back and rotate. Make a bigger circle. Excess fat at the thighs will reduce. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Normalize the right leg. Now lift the left leg to 45 degrees. Make sure knee is straight, toe in stretching position. Inhaling, bring the left leg towards right hand, left ear on the floor. Bring the toes as close to the right hand as possible. Exhaling, slowly come to center. Now rotate the left leg clockwise 3-4 times, anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Make a bigger circle. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Relax. Keep the hands 180 degrees only. Now lift both the legs to 90 degrees. Knee straight, toes in stretching position. Inhaling, take both the legs towards right, head towards left. Twist yourself again in opposite direction. In the final position, normal breathing. Exhaling, come to 90 degrees. Make sure knee straight, toes in stretching position. Inhaling, bring the legs towards left, head towards right. Normal breathing. Exhaling, come to center to 90 degrees. Normalize the breath. Now rotate both the legs. Make a bigger circle. Clockwise 3-4 times, anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise. Relax. Keeping hands in 180 degrees only. You're not done yet. Normalize the breath. Now lift. Alternatively lift the legs up and down. They should cross at 45 degrees. Keeping legs straight and stretched. Exhaling, bring them down. Normalize the breath. Hands along with the body. Bring the hands close to the body. Now we will do Bala Kridasana. Both the legs and the hands, rotate them clockwise 15 times like a chair. Make a bigger circle, cycling. Anti-clockwise, reverse 10 times. Now slowly relax. Relax in Savasana. Comfortable distance between both the legs. Hands along with the body. Palms looking up. Fingers loose but straight. Normalize the breath. Entire body is in still position. Now start scanning the still body from right leg toe to head, head to left leg toe. Scan each and every part of the body with mental eye. Appreciate them that they are taking care of us every minute. Appreciate yourself that you are taking care of them with yoga every day.